The Spigen Ultra Hybrid case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a great mix of affordability, protection, and style. It's a smart pick for those who want to show off their phone's original color while keeping it safe from everyday wear and tear. Unlike some of Spigen's more elaborate cases, the Ultra Hybrid is simple and functional, focusing on the essentials. Its clear back lets the S25 Ultra's design shine, a feature often lost in bulkier cases. This transparency is a big plus for anyone who loves the look of their phone. But it's not just about looks. The Ultra Hybrid uses Spigen's air cushion technology for military-grade drop protection, giving you peace of mind if you're prone to dropping your phone. Spigen also uses a blue resin infusion to help prevent yellowing, a common problem with clear cases. This is a definite plus. The case also supports the latest Qi 2 wireless charging standard. However, while it works with Qi 2, it's not compatible with MagSafe accessories designed for iPhones because of different magnetic layouts. The Ultra Hybrid is great for everyday use, but if you're constantly in rough environments or worried about serious impacts, a more rugged case like the OtterBox Defender might be a better choice. For most people, though, the Ultra Hybrid hits a sweet spot between protection and a slim design. It avoids the bulk of heavy-duty cases, making it comfortable to use daily and easy to slip into a pocket. Precise cutouts mean easy access to all ports and buttons, and the buttons feel good to press. Some might find the case a little slippery, but that's a small issue compared to its overall advantages. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid delivers a premium feel and features without the premium price, making it a very strong value.